And car number 25, sponsored by the Mandan Mafia. Here we go. And Kim Miller, our only female driver today. She is in car number 23, sponsored by Gunners of Mott. Don't let him push you around. Look out! Here you go. Okay, car number 13. Race is on. To all the spectators, thank you so much for all your patience. Here we go. Whoa, look out. Come on, baby, old 23, don't let her down. I know who you gals are cheering for out there.
I don't think so. You get the call on tip again.
Hold it up! Hold it! Hold it! Hold it! Hold your fire! Did they turn this baby down? I don't think. I'm dead ready.
Or maybe it was, and I know the shots were...
Here we go! Once again. Let's hear it for Kim over there in car 23. I'll tell you what. These little boys are so lucky that Kim got herself hung up on that berm. Because there was fixing to be a war out there.
Done some damage.
12 is out on time. Look out, Mike, here it comes. Hang on to you. Oh, swing and a miss. Coming around, man, Danny. Come back again for snowed up that good old mountain. It's probably not over for him. I think he's got a little time left. There's one of these nice guys that pull her up. Oh, he's good. Oh, too much time as he left. All right. Okay. Okay, we got Mike Miller, Derek Redemption, and Scott Calvin is still out there. Battling her out. Mike Miller and Eric Redemption. Here comes Scotty. Trying to move Derek out of the way so him and Mike can battle her out. Look out, Mike, here it comes. Oh, that was a pretty nice hit. Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! Okay, I guess we still have 3 in the running. Now there's a gentleman, he's trying to get Mike jump started there. Scott, I don't know if he's got a straight stick in there, but hold it, Scott. It's over. It looks like Scott Nauman is